Looking for a garden hose that won't tangle or kink? The best expandable water hose is a game changer for easy lawn care. Lightweight, flexible, and space-saving, it expands when in use and shrinks down for simple, hassle-free storage. Number 1. Pocket Hose Copper. The Pocket Hose Copper is a thoughtfully engineered option for those seeking reliability and innovation in their garden tools. What immediately stands out is the pocket pivot design, allowing the hose to swivel 180 degrees to 360 degrees at the spigot. This feature reduces strain and helps prevent the frustrating creases and tangles that typically plague standard hoses. Encased in a force field jacket, the hose is 3 times stronger than previous pocket hose models, making it notably durable and resistant to wear and tear. Its advanced Tri-Tex tubing provides 3 layers of high-strength latex, ensuring a steady and reliable water flow while minimizing the risk of leaks and bursts even under high pressure. The APT connectors enhance durability with a secure leak-proof fit, making setup and breakdown fast and simple. A unique feature is its real copper infusion, keeping it lead-free and safe for drinking water, ideal for your plants, pets, and family. The kink-proof design is particularly effective, providing a hassle-free watering experience. With a 3/4 inch diameter and a powerful anti-burst rating of up to 650 psi, this hose offers outstanding water pressure. Number 2. J&B XpandaHose 75 feet. The J&B XpandaHose 75 feet delivers a reliable and hassle-free watering solution with features that elevate it above typical expandable hoses. Crafted with a 4-layer latex core, this hose is highly resistant to leaks and bursting, handling water pressure up to an impressive 174 psi, 12 bars. The solid 3/4 inch brass connectors ensure a dependable, leak-free connection to your spigot and nozzle, while a sturdy on-off valve offers easy water flow control. One of its strongest assets is its lightweight, tangle-free design. Starting at a compact 33 feet, it expands to 75 feet under pressure and shrinks back when empty, making storage straightforward and frustration-free. At under 3.5 pounds, it's easy to carry around the yard, maneuvering around flower beds, cars, and patio furniture. A standout addition is the versatile spray nozzle with 10 adjustable settings, providing tailored performance for various tasks like watering plants, cleaning surfaces, and washing vehicles. Corrosion-resistant brass connectors and a rugged nozzle ensure consistent performance and long-lasting use. Best of all, the XpandaHose comes with a lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind and prompt customer support. Number 3. Kiuluta Garden Hose 100 feet. The Kiuluta Garden Hose 100 feet is a reliable, heavy-duty option perfect for those who prefer a non-expandable, kink-free design. Its advanced 5-layer inner core structure provides exceptional durability, ensuring that it resists tearing, shrinking, or bursting even when subjected to high water pressures or extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with solid 3/4 inch brass connectors and a rubber gasket, the hose offers a secure, leak-proof connection to your faucet, eliminating the issues commonly associated with plastic fittings. The hose's innovative anti-kink technology is a welcome feature, preventing the usual tangles and twists that interrupt water flow and cause headaches during gardening or outdoor cleaning. The high-strength polyester fabric covering enhances durability and flexibility, allowing it to smoothly navigate around corners, plants, and yard obstacles. Included is a 10-function spray nozzle, a step up from standard 8-mode versions, providing greater versatility for watering, cleaning, or even gentle misting of delicate plants. A water pressure valve attachment is also part of the package. Number 4. HydroTech 75 feet Garden Hose. The HydroTech 75 feet garden hose is a lightweight, efficient, and durable choice for homeowners seeking hassle-free watering. Weighing just 6.5 pounds when empty, it's remarkably 75% lighter than traditional garden hoses, making it easy to carry, maneuver, and store without compromising durability. Its revolutionary jacket and thick latex liner work together to resist abrasions and extend the hose's lifespan. A standout feature is its impressive 3/4-inch inner core, which ensures a generous water flow for quicker, more effective watering and cleaning. HydroTech's patented force control technology guarantees consistent water pressure and flow throughout use, eliminating frustrating pressure drops. The stainless steel connectors are rust-resistant and designed for a tight, reliable seal, ensuring leak-proof performance at both the spigot and nozzle ends. Additionally, the hose's built-in strain relief guard provides added support where the hose meets the connector, reducing the risk of bending and breaking at this vulnerable point. Number 5. Eyerz Garden Hose 100 feet. The Eyerz Garden Hose 100 feet is a versatile and user-friendly hose designed to make outdoor watering tasks easier for everyone. Thanks to its innovative double-layer structure, it's 50% lighter than traditional rubber hoses of the same length, weighing just 5.6 pounds. This makes it ideal for gardeners of all ages and abilities. Its special woven outer layer offers exceptional flexibility, easily maneuvering around corners, trees, and garden layouts without the frustrating kinks or tangles that plague standard hoses. The durable, thickened PVC inner tube stands up well against rust, corrosion, and extreme weather, ensuring reliable performance in both hot summers and cold winters. Included with the hose is a 10-function rotating spray nozzle. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.